Hello friends, subscribe to our channel GTC and press the bell icon for more updates.
Hello friends, welcome you all to the GDC YouTube channel. First question is, application for permission to import or manufacture new drugs to undertake clinical trial should be made in. Options are form number 21, form 44, form 11, form 12A. And the right option is form 44. Let's discuss all the forms number and their meanings. So first, form number 12A. This is the form for the application for permit to import small quantities of drug for personal use, while permit is issued in form 12B. Form A for the application, form 12B for the permission. Next, form 11. Form 11, license for import of drugs of examinations, test or analysis, while the application for this license is made in form 12. Form A for the permission, form 12 for the application. Next, form 44. This is application for grant of permissions to import or manufacture a new drug or to undertake clinical trial. Next, form number 21. Form number 21 is a license to sell, stock or exhibit or distribute by the retail schedules C and C1. Form 21 is further subclassified into the different forms. Here is the form 21A. This is the restricted license to sell, stock or exhibit or distribute by retail schedule C1 drugs for dealers not negotiating service of qualified person. Next, form number 21B. This is the wholesale license for sell, stock, exhibit or distribute schedule C and C1 drugs. Next, form number 21BB. This is the license to sell by wholesale or to distribute drugs specified in C and C1 from a motor vehicle. Okay. Next, form number 21C. This is certificate of renewal of license to sell, stock, exhibit or distribute drugs. Next, form number 21CC. This is a certificate of renewal of license to sell, stock, exhibit or distribute drugs by wholesale from a motor vehicle. Means here you can see when there is a double digit in the alphabet, double B, then double B means from the motor vehicle. Here the double C, that is also from the motor vehicle. So this is the identification. You can easily find out that when there is a double digit, then this is for the motor vehicle. Okay. Next, question number 2. Test for Myasthenia gravis is, okay, first options is succinylcholine test, second options ameliorative test, third options provocative test, and fourth options both B and C. And the right option is both B and C. Let's have an explanation of the test for the Myasthenia gravis. So, Myasthenia gravis can be diagnosed by the two tests. First, ameliorative test. In the ameliorative test, mainly idrophonium used in the 2 to 10 mg injected slowly to improve muscle strength only in Myasthenia gravis. And the second test is known as the provocative test. In the provocative test, myasthenics are highly sensitive to 𝘂𝙎𝙎𝙎𝙬. Means in the ameliorative test, idrophonium is used, while in the provocative test, 𝘂𝙎𝙎𝙎𝙬 used in the weight of 0.5 mg. Okay. Next, question number 3. Name the state which will have the world-class life science park called as Bio 360, and the options A Kerala, options B Haryana, option C Odisha, and option D West Bengal. And the right option is Kerala. Recently, Kerala state government on 22nd August 2013 laid the foundation stone of Bio 360. This is the park name Bio360, a life science park. It was initiated by state-owned Kerala State Industrial Development Corporations KSIDC in the outskirts of the state capital Thiruvananthapuram. The premier investment promotions agency of the Kerala government was entrusted with the task of developing life sciences as a top destinations in the country for life sciences based industries and R&D institutions. Next question, question number 4th. Cough caused by ACE inhibitor is due to, and the options are option A, irritation of GIT, option B, stimulation of cough center, option C, irritation of bronchi, and options D, productions of bradykinin and prostaglandin. And the right option is production of bradykinin and prostaglandin. How? Let's see the explanation of this question. ACE inhibitor causes development of cough. It is a persistent brassy cough occurs in 4 to 16% patient within 1 to 8 weeks. Often require discontinuation of the drug subsides 4 to 6 days thereafter. It is not dose related and appears to be caused by inhibition of bradykinin substance P breakdown in the lungs of susceptible individuals. So this is the main reason for the cough development by the ACE inhibitor. Next question, question number 5th. Causative organism of plague is. First option is 𝘂𝙀𝙎𝙬𝙁, Leishmania, Yersinia pestis, Flavivirus fibricus. Plague is caused by, and the right option is Yersinia pestis. So let's discuss the causative organism of plague. Plague is an infectious disease caused by the bacterium Yersinia pestis, and symptoms mainly includes in the plague is the fever, weakness, headache, and usually symptoms begins 1 to 7 days after exposure. In the bubonic form, there is also swelling of lymph nodes, while in the septicemic form tissue may turn black and die, and in the pneumonic form shortness of breath, cough and chest pain can also develop in the plague. Next question, question number 6. What is the minimum pension guaranteed by the government of India under the Atal Pension Yojana? And the options are 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 or 5,000. And the right option is 1,000. So Atal Pension Yojana is a scheme for citizens of India, is focused on the unorganized sector workers, and under this Atal Pension Yojana, guaranteed minimum pension of rupees 1,000 per month will be given at the age of 60. Next question, question number 7. Which of the following disease is caused by the vitamin B12 deficiency? And the options is rickets, pernicious anemia, beriberi or scurvy. And the right option is pernicious anemia. So let's discuss various vitamin deficiency diseases. Here is the thiamine. Thiamine deficiency develops beriberi. Second option, vitamin B2, that means riboflavin, develops glossitis. B3 disease deficiency develops pellagra. B6 deficiency develops anemia. B12 deficiency develops pernicious anemia, and folic acid, that is B9 deficiency, develop anemia. Pantothenic acid deficiency develops burning feet. Biotin, that is vitamin B7, deficiency develops nerves disorder. Vitamin C deficiency develops scurvy. Vitamin A deficiency develops eye and skin disease, that is mainly night blindness or 𝘎𝙀𝙀𝙀. Next, vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency develops rickets or fragile bones. Vitamin E deficiency develops fertility disorder, and vitamin K deficiency develops blood clotting. So these are the different vitamin deficiency induced disease. Next, question number 8. Find the next number in the sequence 3, 6, 9, 30, 117. What will be the next number? And the options is 192, 352, 388 or 588. And the right option is 588. How? Let's see the explanation of this question. In the first digit 3, for the second digit multiply first digit with 1 and add 3, total will be 6. For the next digit, previous digit multiplied by 2 and minus 3, that will be the 9. Next digit, previous digit multiplied by 3 plus 3, 30. In the next digit, what will we do? 30 multiplied by 4 minus 3, 117. And what we will do for the next digit? 117 multiplied by 5 plus 3. Here is the alternate. First add, then subtract, then add, then subtract. So this is the sequence. Now the right answer will be the 588. Next question, question number 9. According to IP, the percent weight variation for the drug having weight more than 250 mg. And the options are plus minus 10%, plus minus 5%, plus minus 7.5%, or plus minus 15%. And the right answer is plus minus 5%. So what is the weight variation test and different parameters? Let's discuss here according to the IP. When the weight is 80 mg or less, then plus minus 10% weight variation will be allowed. While when the weight is 80 to 250 mg, then plus minus 7.5%. And if 250 mg more than 250 mg, then 5% will be allowed. Next question, question number 10. How many gold medals has India won in the Olympics for hockey? And the options are 5, 8, 10 or 12. And the right option is B, 8. In 1928, the India team won its first Olympic gold medal in hockey, and then Indian men's team remained unbeaten in the Olympics and gained 6 gold medals in a row. The Indian team has won total of 8 golds till now. Next question, question number 11. Which of the following pairs gives modified Borntrager test? And the options are cascara and rhubarb, frangula and senna, senna and rhubarb, aloe and cascara. And the right option is D, aloe and cascara. What is the Borntrager test? Modified Borntrager test? Let's discuss. This test indicates the presence of C glycosides like 𝘿𝙄𝙎𝘾𝙀 and cascarosides. The aqueous solutions of aloe is treated with ferric chloride solutions and dilute hydrochloric acid to bring out the oxidative hydrolysis of 𝘿𝙎𝙎𝘾𝙀. The hydrolysis sets free anthraquinone, which are collected in the organic solvent like carbon tetrachloride or ether. The organic layer is separated and shaken with dilute ammonia, and the ammonical layer shows rose pink to cherry red color. That is the indication of the presence of C glycoside like 𝘿𝙄𝙎𝙾𝙐 or cascarosides. Next question, question number 12. Ribosomes helps in, and the options are protein synthesis, energy production, photosynthesis, or secretion of waste. And the right option is A, protein synthesis. So what is the protein synthesis and the functions of ribosomes? Ribosomes assemble amino acids to form specific proteins, and proteins are essentially to carry out cellular activities. The process of production of proteins, the 𝙂𝙎𝑟𝑖bonucleic acid produces mRNA. DNA produces mRNA by the process of DNA transcription. The genetic message from the mRNA is translated into proteins during DNA translation, and the sequence of protein assembly during protein synthesis are specified in the mRNA, that is the messenger RNA. The mRNA is synthesized in the nucleus and is transported to the cytoplasm for further process of protein synthesis. In the cytoplasm, the two subunits of ribosomes are bound around the polymers of mRNA, and proteins are then synthesized with the help of tRNA, that is transfer RNA. The protein that are synthesized by the ribosomes present in the cytoplasm are used in the cytoplasm itself, and the proteins produced by the bound ribosomes are transported outside the cells. This is the process of the protein synthesis. Here, this is the A site and this is the P site. Here, newly amino acids comes and attach to these sites. This is whole assembly known as the ribosomes. tRNA transfer new amino acids to the ribosomes. Next, question number 13. Which of the following is the antidote for the benzodiazepine? Options are flumazenil, methylene blue, desferoxamine, 𝘿𝙀𝙎𝙎𝙬, and the options are flumazenil. Flumazenil is a competitive benzodiazepine receptor antagonist that can be used as an antidote for benzodiazepine overdose. Its use, however, is controversial as it has numerous contraindications. Next question, question number 14. What food or vitamins interfere with warfarin? And the options are leafy vegetables, egg, carrot, fish. And the right option is leafy vegetables. How? Let's see the explanation. Warfarin is an anticoagulant and you should avoid green leafy vegetables rich in vitamin K. Also, many medications can affect warfarin and cause bleeding, commonly aspirin. Next question, question number 15. P is 9 meter to the south of K and K is 5 meter to the east of H. H is 4 meter to the north of B. L is 3 meter west of B. D is 7 meter south of L. G is 8 meter east of D. How far and in which direction point K and from point Z? And options are 11 meter to the south, 7 meter to the north, 11 meter to the north, 7 meter to the south. And the right option is 11 meter to the north. How? let's see the explanation of this question. Point K is 4 plus 7, that is 11 meter from point Z, and also point K is at the north of point Z. In this diagram you can easily understand. Here is you have started with the K. H is 5 meters to the west of K. B is 4 meter to the south of H. L is 3 meter to the west of B. D is 7 meter to the south of L. G is the 8 meter to the east of D, and P is the 9 meter to the south of K. So you have to find out the right answer, that will be the 11.